we're gonna do my makeup. I'm actually super excited to be showing you guys my makeup routine, so keep on watching if you want to know how to slay, okay? I have all my makeup behind me. I haven't taken out my makeup since I went to Spain, which is gonna be out hopefully before this video. Also, I decided to put on a wig today. You know, I was just feeling a bit creative. I feel like I didn't do a bad job, but it could be better. I'm not like a wig specialist. I don't really know how to put on wigs, but I tried, okay? I did a little curl. The curl is kind of coming out, but I'm just here for the vibes. I've been listening to music. It's been getting me in a good mood. I have my phone here to answer some questions that you guys be asking, so let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm gonna pin my hair back so that the makeup doesn't get all in my hair. Like that. One thing I want to say before we start our makeup is make sure to prep your skin, make sure it's moisturized. We don't want to layer stuff on top of dry skin, it's gonna look ugly. So the one that I use is Nivea Soft. I literally ran out, so I need to get another one, but this is really good. It's very moisturizing. I really do like it. Not sponsored, by the way. I used to be a foundation girly, but now I am a skin tint girly, and I absolutely love it over here because I don't like heavy products on my face, and you can always build up with a skin tint. The one that I use is Maybelline Superstay. I get it in different colors because I like to kind of mix it to make my complexion color, because sometimes it could be too dark, too light. I just feel like it's a little bit better when I do that. But obviously if you don't need to do that, you don't need to buy two things, you know, save money, save that coin, sis. It's 60 and 48. This one is a little bit red tone, and I found out because my sister pointed it out. I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on my skin right now. And then I just take this brush. I don't know the names of brushes. I literally just found this online and I started using it. And I just blend away. It just feels very lightweight on the skin, and that's what I love about a skin tint. Do you see that? It's like perfect. Like a little bit of glow, nothing too much. Do you see how it gives me like a little bit of glow? Someone asked how old I am, and I literally just turned 24, guys. I feel like time has went by so quick, and I still need to get my life together. It's kind of sad, but I'm happy at the same time because, you know, another year of life, thank the Lord. Make sure to get your neck because you don't want to be looking like two different colors. That's just crazy. Normally the first thing I do is my eyebrows, but I completely forgot, so we're gonna do it right now. I just take this pencil from Primark, eyebrow pencil. I do like the little like streak ones, but I don't have that at the moment, and I sharpen it until it's very pointy because we don't want no dull eyebrow pencil around here. Someone asked what inspired you to start YouTube, and honestly, you know, back in like Zoella days or like Saffron Barker or any of those people, I used to love watching them, and I thought like I could do this. I could really sit in front of a camera and speak to people. It's much harder than you guys think, a little bit, but once you get the hang of it, I think you're gonna be good. But yeah, basically I started YouTube because of that. When everybody used to find it weird and stuff, like social media wasn't really a thing, like influencing and stuff, that's when it really like hit me and I started doing it. So yeah, that's what made me start YouTube. Okay, so my eyebrows, they don't take too long to do, but they are annoying to do. Obviously it will never be perfect, but I try to like extend or fill this bit in at the end, and then also a little bit at the front. Like, you know how your nose goes like upwards, like here? I literally fill it in to about there, and then I'm good. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I do my eyebrows because too much. Okay, I did my eyebrows. They're looking like sisters, not twins, and that's okay because everybody's eyebrows are like that. Next up, we're gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. This is such a back in the day product. Nobody really buys from there anymore, but I feel like you guys should. You're just missing out, okay? If you want like full coverage, LA CoverGirl is the one to go. I want to tell you guys about my trip so bad to Spain because honestly, I've been to a couple of places on holiday, and I can say that Spain is one of like the top ones that I've been to. And I know a lot of like Europeans go to Spain, but honestly, I'm not surprised why they are because it's so nice there. I contour my nose just a little bit. And I will go ahead and put a little bit of contour on my jawline because I feel like I'm losing it. Honestly, I need to go to the gym more because I be getting double chins and stuff, and I don't want double chins. It's not cute. Then I take this brush. It's a little bit like slanted, and then I just go in. Also, I used to put my contour like all the way down here. You don't want to do that, okay? Put it as high as you possibly can. Obviously, like, not too high because blush, you know, but it just makes your face look a bit more lifted, and I want that because my face just be like puffy as hell. And I've had a puffy face since I was young, so I feel like I still have that baby face in a way. Okay, now to put you guys on to my favorite concealer of all time. It's the Too Faced concealer. This consistency of concealer, I don't know what they put in this. Like, it's so good. And also the Huda Beauty one is pretty good as well, I will say. So what we're gonna do with the concealer is basically highlight the areas that you want people to see the most, or like just to stand out. So that will be under the eyes, maybe the forehead a little bit, maybe the chin a little bit, and then around the nose area, I would say. So like here, 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 and here. Also, don't put too much with this because a little bit goes a long way, trust me. Right here. Just like a dot there. One hack, if you didn't know it, if you want it to be more like of a natural makeup look, then don't leave the concealer on. But if you do want a heavier conceal, then leave it on for 2 minutes, which is what I do every single time I do my makeup. Honestly, how are you guys doing? Because I know, like, I feel like this year was meant to be the year, you know, but for me so far, it's just been like a rocky start, and it was just so unexpected. And also like inflation has went up so much. I feel like every single month it's going up in my eyes. I do love reading you guys' comments, so if you have a chance, drop down below how you're doing, what are you doing, you know, anything new that I should know, that you should tell me. What keeps you motivated to create content? I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I have my days, more than like the good days, where I'm like, what's the point? Is there any point of me doing this? Is it worth it? And honestly, like long term, I think it's so worth it, and I enjoy doing stuff like this, so you know, I can't really complain. I'd rather do this than work a 9 to 5, do you know what I mean? Like, nothing's wrong with a 9 to 5, but I just feel like that's not my destiny, that's not my goal. So it's a mix of motivation, fun, and discipline. Because like discipline, like I know I need to make content, I know I need to put it out there for me to grow. Motivation, like sometimes I'll be watching motivational stuff and like it inspires me, so that's the motivational part. And a huge part of it is because I like doing it, like it's fun. I feel like if you don't like doing YouTube videos, don't do them, because you're just gonna, like, over time it's just gonna get agitating and you just won't like it. Okay, we're gonna blend this out now. I use a beauty blender. For a time I did use a brush, but I feel like under the eyes you can really get it smooth and nice with a beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I don't like to gossip, but did you guys see that video about James Charles? Damn. Honestly, I don't know what he was thinking. I'm already looking way better. Like, it already brightened my look up, and I love that. And this ties into a question that somebody asked me. They were like, what's your favorite beauty product? And I think it has to be concealer. I mean, there's many other more, but concealer, I just feel like it brightens everything up. Doesn't make me look like I have under eye bags, like I haven't been sleeping for like months. This isn't mandatory, but sometimes I just go at the bottom of my contour, whatever, and just like line it up a little bit so that it's kind of sharp, kind of not. We're gonna blend it out right now. Because we want to make sure there's a difference between contour and just normal. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna get into blush, something that everybody has been wearing recently. Well, for the last like 3 years. The Shigan blush in the shade Love Cake. I love this one. I love wearing pink blush. Then I'm just gonna use a brush to blend it out. You know what's an underrated makeup look? I'm not gonna lie. Do you guys know Lala on TikTok? I like how she does her makeup. It's very natural, and I love like her blush placement. I think that's so underrated, like natural makeup. I actually went without doing my lashes for a good minute, but sometimes I like me some lashes, like who doesn't, you know? And it made me like fall more in love with my natural beauty, like my natural facial features, without doing too much to it. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty powder. I have 2 shades in here, Cherry Blossom Cake and Peach Pie. I love this combination because sometimes it's nice to have like a little pink powder under eye. Also, this is the best baking powder out there, I believe, in my heart. Like, it has never done me dirty. It stays on all day. It doesn't crease my makeup. It's just so good. Like, Huda did her big one making this, and it smells really nice. It kind of smells like baby powder in a way, but with like a little sweet scent to it. Okay, while that's cooking, we're gonna go in with the Revolution Concealer and Fix Light Honey. And we're just gonna go underneath my eyebrows just to highlight it. I love highlighting my eyebrows. It just makes such a difference. What makeup product do people hype up too much? Welcome to Ashley de-influencing you, because the Maybelline Fit Me is like so sticky, and like I don't get how people like it. It's just not that good, you know what I mean? So I think this is so overrated. I will never ever get again. This is literally my second time purchasing this, and I just feel like it's just not doing it. I love other Maybelline products, but just not this one. So bye. Anyways, we're gonna brush this out, or else it leaves like a harsh line. I feel like I should have did this earlier, like soon as possible, but I didn't. I want to do like the makeup challenge where you do your makeup blindly. So if you guys are interested in that, comment down below, because I wanted to do it, but I just feel like you guys wouldn't be that interested in it. If I could only use 3 makeup products forever, what would they be? I think lip gloss, definitely. We don't want chapped lips out here. Eyebrow pencil. I could low-key live without it though. But eyebrow pencil and blush. I think that's a cute combo. Oh wait, instead of eyebrows, I'm gonna say mascara. So mascara, lip gloss, and blush. Also, I'm just gonna take some Kiko blush in this like pinkish color and just go over it, because I just want a little bit more blush. Now we're gonna do lips. This is my favorite bit, I'm not gonna lie, because it just pulls the whole look together, and I love that. So I'm gonna be using the MUA lip liner. I think it's just this intense color. This is like a nice Cecil brown, giving very natural and not giving too dark. And then I do have an NYX lip pencil, I think in the shade brown. My camera cut off, but in the shade Espresso. So these two combos. Then I just go over the top lip with the Espresso. And all I do is just take a lip gloss and go over it, and that's it. 3-step lip combo. So pretty, guys. And also I'll just take like a tissue and just take out the like middle bit of my lip so that it's more pinkish, if that makes sense. What's one beauty trend I will never try again? Honestly, you know that trend back in the days, I'm talking 2016 I think it was, and we had like thick ass eyebrows. Like it was so thick and ugly. I will never do that to myself ever again. And them long ass lashes, I would never ever 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 do that shit again. Like dead ass. It was so ugly. I don't know who, bro. Whoever came up with that, Alright, I'm just gonna take mascara and go underneath my bottom lashes because it makes my eyes pop a bit more. Actually, this is what some people don't do anymore, is highlighter. I got this one from Fenty Beauty. It's very much cracked. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on my eyebrow bone. And then like just blend it a little bit here. Perfect. If you want the best setting spray and you don't look matte, this one. That sounded like an ad, but I'm serious, guys. This is the best. And I only know about this. Well, I used to use it before, but I only know about this recently because I went into Sephora and there was this girl and she recommended this to me. And I was like, okay, let me try it out. Ever since then, I'm in love because it just melts your makeup so good. Whew. Oop, I forgot to use brow gel. I'll be really neglecting my brows today. It's because of you guys. Your fault. I'm only joking. Okay guys, so this is my final makeup look. I'm absolutely in love. It's just so tea. So tea. Anyways, as you can tell, I'm in love. I can't wait to do some like little TikTok videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, bye.